Hello you guys. So this is my Lush Kitchen subscription box for the month of May 2021. And so now I'm going to open it so we can see what's in here. Okay. Oh wow, so this is celebrating 12 months of Lush Kitchen subscription boxes. These are all the products that we've received in the subscription boxes every month. So, and these are the items in this box. We've got bath bomb called Diamond Dust. We have the roller bath bomb. I'm so happy about roller. We have the yuzu and cocoa bubble bar, which I also voted for. We have Avo Shower, which I also voted for, and Aquamarabolis, which I definitely did not vote for. So now let's see what we have in the box. And okay. Oh, this is nice. Look at this tote. This is a Lush tote bag. Oh my gosh, and it says Lush Kitchen. And in the back, it's green. I'm so glad I bought this month's subscription box. So that tote will go in my collection of Lush totes, which I have a bunch of them. Different ones. So now here is my lovely roller bath bomb, and this has the Yummy Mummy shower gel scent. It's very fruity and sweet with strawberries and geranium, and it's got the new bottoms that all the new Lush bombs are made with. So, it smells really good. It smells just like I remember it. And then we have the yuzu and cocoa bubble bar, and the shower gel was also there too, the yuzu and cocoa shower gel. And I also have bought the yuzu and cocoa perfume, which is lovely. And next, it's a full size. What? Why is why is my name on the front of this? It's like a custom one. All right, and so Avo Shower is the same scent as the Avo bath bomb that Lush sells in all the stores and online. It's green. It smells like lemongrass, and yes, this smells very, very good. It smells just as I remember. And that's the lovely color. And it's very thick. And it used to have, and I think it still does, some shimmer, some green shimmer in there, just like the bath bomb. So that's Avo Shower. And this one is April Avo Shower. And then, last but not least, is the Diamond Dust exclusive Lush bath bomb. And it's kind of pink and purple, and it's got that Lush name on the bottom. Oh, and this has a lovely scent. To me, this smells similar to the Calacas / Zesty scent. It used to be called Calacas, now it's called Zesty. But there's also an additional note here that is not in Calacas from what I can smell. It seems like it has like citrus and maybe some kind of vague mintiness and maybe floral note as well. I can't wait to use this, and I'll do a video demo of this for you guys. Can't wait to take a bath with this and see what it's all about. Oh, and this is the Aquamarabolis Body Butter Exfoliating Square. So I'll be using that. It's not my favorite thing in the world, and I certainly didn't vote for it, and you guys who follow me on Instagram know why. But I'll use it. I don't want to let it go to waste or anything. So it does do a good job of exfoliating and conditioning the skin. And so that is the Lush subscription box for May 2021, and I think they have some cool things in there. And so thanks so much for watching, and I will be uploading an ASMR video soon on my other channel, which is my ASMR channel. So those few of you on this channel that listen to ASMR videos might like that. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll talk to you soon on the next Lush video.